Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a topic that is sure to captivate all the design enthusiasts out there. We will be exploring the world of luxury home design, unveiling the futures and must have that define opulent living spaces. If you have ever dreamed of living in the lap of luxury, stay with us because this video is your ultimate guide. Let's start our video. Our first stop is the world of luxury houses design in the grand entrance. An impressive foyer with high ceiling, elegant chandeliers and a grand staircase can set the tone of the entire home. A statement front door made of solid wood, glass or custom made materials. Custom materials can make a bold first impression. An open concept layout seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating a sense of spaciousness. High-end materials like marble, granite, and exotic hardwood are often used for countertops, flooring, and cabinets. Custom designed fireplace with integrated mantels and premium stone tile finish can add and sophistication. The kitchen is often considered the heart of luxury home. A chef kitchen with top of the line applicants, ample workshops and a walk-in pretty is a must-have. A large kitchen island with seating and pendant lighting is both function and placing. Moving on, the spa-like bathrooms that offer relaxation and indulgence, shocking tubes, rainfall showers, and heated floors is the epitome of luxury. Walk-in closet with custom slaving and ample storage space add convenience and organization. Last but not least, the outdoor spaces that complete luxury living experience. An infinity pool overlooking scenes views or a beautifully landscaped garden is a hallmark of luxury living. An outdoor kitchen and long areas with high quality furniture and a fire pit create the perfect setting for entertaining. There you have it, the key features and must have that define luxury house design. Whether you are in the process or building your dreams home or simply looking for inspiration, these elements can help you. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on home design.